All right, this one's kind of interesting. What we're doing here is we're taking a section of code with no context around it, and we're telling ChatGPT to take the C# code that's up here, and we're going to have it convert it to Delphi code. Now, for loops, obviously in C# are structured differently and a lot looser with their control variables than Delphi is. Delphi is very structured in its for loops, Pascal in general. So we look at what code it generated, and we can see here that it declared the loop control variable outside as a local variable, but it did the for I equals 0 to traits.count. Now what happens is you'll notice that there's no I++ if you're not from a Delphi background, because the for loop automatically increments the loop control variable every time the loop restarts. So this translation is wrong because you cannot decrement the loop control variable inside of the loop. And what this is trying to do is it's trying to delete a record and then not move the increment, not increment the loop control variable, because it just deleted that record, which makes the list smaller, and that spot that it just looked at is now containing the next item, so there should not be an increment. That's why this for int, this for loop up here has the I minus here, because it says, oh, I've deleted one, just go back a notch. So what I did is I said, hey, for that specific loop, use a while loop instead of a for loop. Sure, as usual, ChatGPT says, and there you go. When I looked at this code, I first thought, oh my gosh, it messed up. This couldn't be correct. So I studied it for a while, and then I realized it had actually done a better job than I even thought it did, because it recognized that the increment and the decrement were in conflict with each other, and made it so that if it's not going to delete an item, if it doesn't match where it would delete an item, then it will just increment the loop and go to the next one. So at any rate, another impressive understanding and repurposing of code through ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.